All right, so who all should know about it? That's one of the other questions that I want to address. Now, majority of the software teams across the world are moving towards Agile Scrum methodology for software development, and they work as team one. Now, what that means is that they have to be there for each other, and the success of the sprints or the stories that they're implementing, right, and the story points that they're getting in a given sprint is a collective effort and not an individual effort, right? And one of the key things that need to evolve in these teams to be successful in the long term is the cross-functional behavior of the team members. That is, they cannot be stuck on only one functional learning. That is, I just do testing. No. So you need to know about coding, you need to know about product management, you need to know about UI and UX and so on, right? And so therefore it is very important for all the team in the team to learn about software testing. So it's not just the software testing need to do, learn about software testing. The programmers, the product managers, business analysts, UI, UX, and so on, all need to learn about it. And more about these, you can refer to the courses on Agile, which are over here. So I'll just leave it up to you to, consider them.